Hello, I'm Mike Caprio, your host for this evening. How would you like to take a thrilling ride back in time and discover the gripping tale of the Big Four of the Central Pacific Railroad? Take a seat, sit back, and get ready for a journey through history. In the late 1800s, a group of visionaries set out to conquer the wild frontier of the American West. These men were idealists, opportunists, and villains. They were the representative men of the Central Pacific Railroad, the Big Four. The creator, Theodore DeHoan Judah. The lawyer, E.B. Crocker. The politician, C.P. Huntington. The senator, Leland Stanford. The robber baron, Charles Crocker. And the manager, Mark Hopkins. They should have been called the Big Six, the two crucial and essential men that history leaves out, the creator and the lawyer. First up, the creator, Theodore DeHoan Judah, the visionary behind the Central Pacific Railroad. In the early 1850s, Judah became captivated with the idea of constructing a transcontinental railroad. He tirelessly advocated for the establishment. Next, we have the one and only C.P. Huntington, a man with the knack for making things happen. Whether it was negotiating contracts or acquiring the resources needed, Huntington had the Midas touch, and that made the seemingly impossible possible. Leland Stanford, a shrewd businessman and a true mastermind. Stanford's financial acumen played a vital role in securing the funds necessary for the Central Pacific Railroad. His brilliance transformed dreams into steel tracks, persuading investors and politicians of the immense benefits it would bring. In 1860, his efforts paid off when the Central Pacific Railroad Company was formed, with Judah as its chief engineer. Second up, the lawyer. We have the formidable Edwin Bryant Crocker, known for his unyielding determination. Crocker was the powerhouse behind the Central Pacific Railroad. His unwavering belief in the project's success inspired his fellow pioneers to reach for the stars. In 1863, Crocker agreed to serve as legal counsel for the Central Pacific Railroad, a company run by the Big Four. Now let's talk about Charles Crocker, E.B. Crocker's brother, the muscle of the operation. Crocker's ability to manage the backbreaking labor required to construct the railroad was legendary. He led an army of workers, including the Chinese, with their expert knowledge in black powder explosives, defying nature and carving a path through the rugged terrain. Together, these incredible men pushed the boundaries of possibility and overcame every obstacle in their path. Their audacious vision and unwavering determination resulted in the completion of one of the greatest engineering feats in history, the Central Pacific Railroad. And on that fateful day in 1869, when the final golden spike was driven into the tracks connecting the east and west coasts of the new Americas, the Central Pacific Railroad had triumphed, forever changing the course of history. This was the beginning of the Gilded Age of industry. The United States was in transition from an agricultural society to an industrial way of life. So, my friends, let's honor the legacy of Theodore DeHoan Judah, C.P. Huntington, E.B. Crocker, Leland Stanford, Charles Crocker, and Mark Hopkins. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, keep chasing the thrill of the unknown. See you on the next adventure. Mike Caprio, out.